XRP is making waves again, and the recent developments show it's no longer just another crypto token. It's steadily becoming a mainstream financial asset. Today, we break down the latest XRP ETF activity, major acquisitions, institutional adoption, and regulatory progress that could shape its path forward. Hey guys, welcome back to Whiteboard Crypto Update. In today's video, we'll talk about XRP. So be sure to stay focused, as you surely don't want to miss out on this. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Please remember, this is not a financial advice video. Another significant day for XRP has arrived, with momentum building across ETFs, infrastructure acquisitions, and adoption by major financial players. Recently, Ripple completed a major acquisition that strengthens its payment rail network. This is not just a minor update. This acquisition solidifies Ripple payments as a highly comprehensive, end-to-end stablecoin solution, positioning XRP as a critical player in the emerging financial ecosystem. Ripple has been quietly expanding its infrastructure, making strategic acquisitions that bring real-time liquidity, instant settlements, and on-chain corporate finance solutions to businesses globally. For example, their billion-dollar acquisition of G Treasury enables firms to operate with efficient on-chain corporate finance while using virtual accounts and stablecoin payments through a single API. This level of integration allows companies to move funds worldwide seamlessly without having to manage traditional crypto wallets, a step that bridges the gap between conventional banking and blockchain technology. Adding to this infrastructure expansion, Ripple has introduced Palisade's high-speed custody, which leverages multi-party computation (MPC) wallets as a service. This allows institutions to securely manage assets without storing them directly. It also includes sub-second transaction signing, cross-chain support, and high-throughput capabilities tailored for fintech companies and banks. Ripple Prime, formerly known as Hidden Road, provides institutional liquidity execution and prime brokerage services, ensuring that the full spectrum of financial operations is covered. Together, these moves are creating a robust financial system built around XRP. The ETF landscape for XRP is also growing rapidly. The launch of a fifth XRP ETF with approval for 21 shares under the XR ticker marks a significant milestone. Consider this. Crypto has waited for years to get meaningful ETF exposure, and now XRP has multiple ETFs supporting its adoption. The growing interest from institutions is evident, as Bitboy's XRP ETFs have recorded 19 consecutive days of inflows, with nearly $1 billion in cumulative investments. This isn't retail speculation. These are institutional investors, family offices, and wealth management platforms making strategic long-term allocations to XRP. The adoption of XRP ETFs reflects a broader trend. The asset is moving from niche crypto circles into mainstream finance. Large-scale campaigns such as Bitwise's Times Square promotion signal that XRP is becoming a Wall Street-ready asset. Institutional investors recognize the stability, scalability, and growing acceptance of XRP in global financial systems. With sustained ETF inflows, XRP is showing resilience and strong market interest, even without dramatic price spikes. Looking ahead, Ripple's annual conference, Ripple Swell, is set to combine with the Apex Developer Conference in 2026. This integration is expected to broaden participation and provide public access, bringing together financial professionals, developers, and crypto enthusiasts. It's an important milestone for the community, signaling Ripple's commitment to transparency, collaboration, and real-world adoption of XRP. On the regulatory front, progress is ongoing. Senate discussions around stablecoins, yield-bearing digital assets, and banking oversight continue to shape the legal landscape. While debates over restrictions and protections for traditional banks are complex, regulators are gradually moving toward integrating crypto into the broader financial system rather than treating it as a fringe asset. CFTC and SEC initiatives are now considering Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDC as collateral for structured financial products, highlighting a shift from punitive regulation to practical adoption. In addition, strategic partnerships are reinforcing XRP's ecosystem. Coinbase's collaboration with Chainlink to secure a $7 billion cross-chain bridging system emphasizes the importance of reliable, trusted infrastructure for crypto assets. By adopting Chainlink, the industry recognizes the need for secure, high-performance interoperability, which complements XRP's own payment rails and global liquidity solutions. U.S. banks can now legally broker crypto trades for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana on behalf of clients, creating a new bridge between traditional finance and digital assets. While these trades must remain risk-free, meaning banks cannot hold the assets themselves, the ability to operate directly in crypto markets increases adoption and legitimizes XRP as a core component of institutional portfolios. Beyond adoption and regulation, XRP's ecosystem is also expanding technologically. The XRP ledger is now live with the XAO, enabling participants to contribute infrastructure and engage with the network directly. This community-driven approach enhances the ledger's security, scalability, and functionality. Coinbase's integration with Solana tokens further demonstrates the growth of interoperable digital assets, making crypto more accessible and efficient for mainstream users. In summary, XRP is evolving on multiple fronts. Its ETF presence is growing, institutional demand is increasing, infrastructure acquisitions are creating a seamless financial network, and regulatory frameworks are starting to integrate crypto responsibly. These developments collectively suggest that XRP is moving beyond speculation and toward becoming a critical mainstream financial asset with real-world utility. The trajectory for XRP appears strong, with continued institutional adoption, ETF growth, strategic infrastructure investments, and regulatory integration. The asset is poised to play a central role in the future of global finance. As more businesses, banks, and investors engage with XRP, it continues to transition from a niche crypto token into a widely recognized and functional financial instrument. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on XRP? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.